So for the Capital One Platinum credit card, as soon as you are approved for the credit card, you are required to make a deposit right away. If you do not make a deposit on this account, they're not going to send you a credit card at all. So if you think that you have a card coming in the mail, you do want to double check with them and say, hey, I want to make sure everything is good with my account. Make sure I have a card coming in the mail, because sometimes you'll think it's coming in the mail and it's not, because Capital One said that you have to pay it. As soon as you're approved, you have to pay that deposit. They do give you a certain amount of time, but you have to pay that deposit before they send you that card in the mail. Let's double check, you guys. So right here too, so you have to make a deposit on the account, and then they're going to send you that card in the mail. They're not going to send you that card until you make your deposit. So I don't know if you actually have the card coming. I don't know. Call them and ask them like this type of question. Call them and say, hey, is my card coming? Like, what's going on? Because I would hate that I would hate for you to think that you actually have this card coming and it's not actually coming, and you just assume that it was coming, and you go past your deadline or something. You don't need a certain amount of time to even put that deposit down. I don't want you to go past like that time limit that they give you, and then now you out of luck. You can't do it. So definitely call them and ask them. Do I actually have a card coming?